Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Paperback Writer by the Beatles. This is a song with 2 chords and then a neat little intro to the chords. So let's get started. All right, so it's going to be, basically it's going to be a G chord like this, and a B chord like this. And to play that G chord, you're going to bar the 3rd fret, put your ring finger on the 5th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and then you're going to put your 2nd finger on the G string here on the 4th fret. It's got this sort of a dance song sort of a feel to it, because that's when the Beatles were still making dance music basically. Then they move into a C chord. So they slide that whole pattern up to the 8th fret. So you bar the 8th fret, 3rd finger goes on the 10th fret of the A string, pinky finger goes on the 10th fret of the D string, and then your middle finger is going to go down here on the 9th fret of the G string. And I've watched some live videos of them, and sometimes they're doing this chord. And sometimes I looked over and I saw that John Lennon was taking his pinky and putting it down here on the 6th fret of the B string. And they used to do that a lot. There's a few songs they would do that on. And then there's this harmony where they're going paperback writer, and then there is this neat little and what that is it's basically the notes in that first chord. Little alternating pick between the E string and then that 3rd fret on the E string. So you're gonna have this barred on the 3rd fret, and then you're going to take these 2 fingers and then hammer them down on the 5th fret of the A and the D string. So you go hammer down on the 5th fret, E on the, it's G actually, but it's the E string, 3rd fret on the D string, and then you're going to alternate from the E string to these strings. You're going to go. So That little part's a little tricky, but it's basically the notes in this chord. So that's what it is. It's a G chord into a C chord and then back. So I hope that helps you out. It's a fun song to play along with. It's got a nice little rhythm to keep up with for a beginner. It's a pretty cool thing. So if this helped you out, that's great. I hope you liked it, and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comments section. And thank you. Have a nice day.